Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Pilot EXL. It's got 39,000 miles on it. Modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. It's got your lock, unlock button here on the door handles. It is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the Pilot looks good. It does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. It does have the lock and unlock button on the passenger door handle. It does have your blind spot monitoring camera right there. Okay. Exterior of this Pilot's in great shape. Once again, it's a certified 16, 39,000 miles on it. All right, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and gray door panels, power windows, power locks. It's got your power mirrors over here. Lane departure warning, collision alert. Okay. It does have your blind spot camera right here. Not the camera, but the actual button. We'll show you that in just a second. All right, gray leather. It's a power driver's seat. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. It is third row. Okay, there's 3 rows of seating. Got the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Nice big storage area here. This will slide right on back. It's going to have your power outlet down there, USB port hookup. Okay. Passenger seat looks good. All right, leather's in good shape there. I'll pan out a little bit, give you another shot of the sunroof. Okay. It is an automatic. It's got another power outlet here, a couple of USB ports. Got your heated seats here on both sides. Okay. Push button start, dual climate controls. It's going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera and all that, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's take a look at the mileage. Right, it's got 39,031 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, let's go ahead and show you the radio display here. All right, it's got all your apps, okay, phone, info, audio, and you can scroll left or right. You can add more, take some away, whatever you prefer. Okay, go ahead and activate the backup camera. It's got the guidelines on there as well. You can change the view. Simply hit those buttons there. All right, back to your home screen. We'll go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. All right, it's that button to the left of the steering wheel that I showed you earlier, and it is a visual display of your blind spot. All right, it's a nice safety feature that Honda offers. Once again, we got your dual climate controls. It also allows you to control the rear air or rear heat from up here. Got your 2 heated seats buttons right here. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look at the second row. Door panels look good. Back seat carpets look good, no staining. Got your rear air, rear heat right here. Second row leather looks good. There's not even a wrinkle in the leather. Very well taken care of. The center armrest comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right. And one thing I love about these Pilots, you got a button here or a button back here. You simply press the button. The seats are going to jump forward for you. Gives you really good access to the third row. Okay, third row leather back here looks really good. All the interior in this Pilot's in really good shape. All the leather seats, everything's well taken care of. It's got the power liftgate. Press that button there. Nice and smooth coming up. All right. Carpet back here is nice and clean. Got some storage under there for you. Another convenient power outlet right here. And I'll step to the side. When that third row's up, you can see it kind of cuts into the space a little bit. All right. Simply pull these straps down. Seats will fall forward for you. And now you can see how much that opens it up back there for your space, right? All right. To get the liftgate down, simply press this button here. All right. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. Okay, got the nice smoky gray trim. Okay, alloys are in great shape. Tires look good, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a certified 2016 EXL, okay? Got 39,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing is in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.